Hello everybody. This is my last and final PC vlog. We got another customer here. Throw this on. Let's see what he needs. From Blake Patterberg, 48 Movie Maniacs. I'm Blake Patterberg. I'm one of the core team over at Movie Maniacs, the world's number 53 website in the UK for movie news and reviews. With the upcoming release of the next highly anticipated blockbuster in Frondbuster Cinematic Universe (FCU), I'm trying to refresh my memory of the previous films: Frondbuster, Frondbuster 2, Frondbuster 3, Frondomania, Frondbuster 4, fondly remembered, and the much maligned spin-off Archibald, and the Spinning Cups and Frondbuster Sword. I already own all the collector's editions on Blu-ray, but I'd like to rip them into my computer for more complete frame-by-frame analysis. Sadly, I don't have enough hard drive space to do so. Could you increase my storage capacity to suit another terabyte to do the trick? Upgrade to 1500 gigabytes of storage. So, in a prior vlog, as you saw, I collected that 2 terabyte, I think a hard drive or whatever, and that was for this client. So yeah, we're gonna upgrade this to 1500 gigabytes of storage. Let's head over to the computer. Take this out. Take this out. Remove the side panel, of course, as you would. And look in here. Looks pretty good. Graphics card. Alright, first things first, I'm gonna make sure I remember this time. Yeah, it's a Mortoni Thermal 100. We're gonna apply some thermal paste to that. Oh, these are rising. Okay. Open that. Throw in some thermal paste. That. And we are going to slap on this Mortoni Thermal 100 back in here. Boom. Alright, now what we need to do is we need to work on the hard drive and stuff. So take out this back part too. Unscrew the side panel. And you give a little look at the internals down here. He already has a hard drive in there, but it's only has 500 gigabytes. He needs 1500. So I got him this nice 2 terabyte, 64 megabyte cache here, hard drive, and we're gonna plug that in. So we got to remove some cables. Open the drive bay. Let us know. Yep. Now we got 2 terabytes in there. Closing drive bay. And we're going to connect this part. Okay. Now it should have 1500 gigabyte storage. Connect to the new air cooler. It's looking all good. Alright, let's plug into the PSU, plug in our keyboard, plug in to the GPU or the graphics card, and plug in the mice, and let's throw in our USB drive. Let's power on. Okay. We're gonna go to System Info. And we're gonna do a virus scan, and should be all good. Oh wait, nope, don't need will run. I'll take that off after, but I guess we'll wait for here. Oh, that's weird. It's a bit slow. Okay. And we'll install virus scanner. Computer is very slow. I wonder if there's anything else wrong with it. Okay. Restarting the computer. Alright, first things first, virus scanner. Any malicious programs? Now there's 0. Okay, so that's not the issue. How's the GPU? 30, 34, okay, not too bad. Physical memory available. Oh, yeah, it could be his RAM, that's why his computer's so slow. Yeah, oh yeah, he only has 2 gigabyte sticks, so his computer is not going to be as fast as RAM. Basically, it's basically, it basically All right, sorry. Oopsies. Okay. Anyways, oh, that's weird. Why won't it let me? Okay, there we go. Anyways, reason why it was slower was because, uh, it is slower than other computers is because of its RAM. It has technically 4 gigabytes of RAM in total, and so RAM is basically the short-term memory of your computer. It stores data. Your computer is actually processing using right now, and so basically when I open an application or I download one, um, your like computer like has to handle that. Like there's only so much it can like handle at once. As yet, it's slowing down. It has to like handle that. The more like RAM you have, it's the more your computer can do at once, basically. Which is why computers with more RAM can basically process stuff faster and stuff. Like because if your computer runs out of RAM, it starts using a slower hard drive, which makes things much slower. So yeah, having enough RAM makes your computer run faster and keep things running smoothly. Oh, okay. Alright, so, going here. It's looking all good. It's a little hotter than usual, but it's nothing to be worried about. Has enough stuff. There were no viruses. Do another scan here. Nope, no viruses. Alright, close out of that. Power off. Remove some cables. Remove my USB. And put on the side panel. Oh, wrong side panel. Put on this side panel. Screw that thing in. Throw on another side panel. And now, pick up the computer. Throw it down right here. That's another satisfied customer. That is going to be all my PC vlogs. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Oh, I don't know why it's doing that.